These are the earrings that we're going to make. And they are meant to coordinate with the Cascade necklace from my previous video. So let's talk about the materials we'll need. For these earrings, you're going to need 8 4mm round crystals and 2 6mm round crystals. You can use all the same color 4mm round crystals, but I'm using 2 different colors, 6 of one color and 2 of another color. You're also going to need 11/0 Toho seed beads and 2 6 or 8 Toho seed beads to connect the ear hooks with jump rings. So let's get started. I'm using a size 10 needle with 6-pound fire line, and I'm going to start by threading on an 11/0, a 6 or 8, and an 11/0 seed bead. And I'll string that on. Then I want to go back up through those 3 seed beads to form a loop. I can tie a knot here. Next, I'll string on a 6mm and 3 11/0s. Here, I want to go back through the crystal and into one of the 11/0s on the other side. I'll continue through the large seed bead and the next 11/0 and go through the crystal through an 11/0 on the other side. And I will continue through the next 2 seed beads on this side. 1, 2. Now we're going to frame this crystal in seed beads. So I add 5 seed beads, and I want to go through all 3 of these seed beads at this end. One, 2, and 3. Add 5 more seed beads, and then I want to go through 2 of the seed beads on this side. 1 and 2. Now I'm at the tip of this crystal. I add 3 seed beads, string that on. Then I want to go back through that tip in the next 2 seed beads. That creates a little, like what I call florets, and you're coming out of the bottom. I'm going to add 2 seed beads, accent color 4mm crystal, and another seed bead, and I'll string that on. Then I want to go back up through the crystal and the next seed bead. Then I'll add a seed bead and go through the bottom of that floret. Here I'm at the bottom of this floret and I want to go up, over, and down. So follow the floret around 3 seed beads. 1, 2, and 3. Next, I put on 8 seed beads, crystal, seed bead, crystal, seed bead. These are 4mm crystals in the other color. So I'll string that on. I'm going to go back up through the last crystal and the next seed bead. Then I'm going to add a 4mm crystal and 8 seed beads. And I want to go up through the side of this floret here. Then I want to go continue back up, continue the path up, back up to the top of the earring. And so I'm continuing through the side here. Until I'm at going through the 3 seed beads on the top. So I'm going to go through those seed beads. 1, 2, and 3. And here's where I can tie a knot. I'm going to pull my thread through, I put my needle through the other side here so they're both coming out of the same area, and I'll tie a knot. 1, 2. So after we snip the ends, we'll be ready to put on the ear hooks. I've snipped the ends and now I'm ready to open my jump ring. Feed it through the large seed bead. Add the ear hook and close it. And that is the finished earring.